Rigo, good afternoon. Mike Pugliese coming at you live from Prime Motor Cars, Prime Mercedes. Spoke to you on the phone yesterday about the 16 Honda Accord Sport that you inquired about. So I just, and I know you had a couple other ones in the running, so I just wanted to give you a quick little personal video on the car. It has I think just over 106,000 miles on it, a lot of highway miles, so the car is in really, really good shape. Reed just kind of cascaded over those twin 5-spoke, the dual 5-spoke rims, 19-inch wheels and tires on this car. Some nice Yokohamas on it. Car was well maintained. It was well taken care of, in really, really decent shape for a lot of the back and forth driving. That Sport gives you a few aesthetic kind of features in the car, you know, along with the wheels that I mentioned. Nice kind of cloth style bucket, half leather, half cloth. Nice little car, really in good shape. And I know the car, that CVT transmission, any Honda, that 2.4 is a really dependable engine, pretty much bulletproof. So definitely a nice car for, get a lot of car for just under 13,000. So let's take a peek inside. We'll do a quick little lap around the dealership. All right, Rigo, here we are inside the cabin of the 16 Honda Accord Sport. Really comfortable. I'm 6'1", pretty big frame, and I have plenty of room in the cabin of this car. Really easy car to drive, and it feels really great. Lot of space in this car. Everything's, what I love about a Honda is very user friendly. All the controls on the dash, as far as air controls, radio controls, very easy layout, easy to read, very user friendly. So, and a lot of cool options on this car: FM, AM radio, CD player. It's got a nice big backup camera. You do have Bluetooth functionality, cruise control, automatic lights, that economy mode that Honda offers, which is kind of nice. But just a real simple, plain layout. Just a nice car to just get in and drive. And have a really dependable car. So I'm going to send this right over to you. Just like I said, want to do a quick little loop around our dealership and kind of show you a little bit of the inside of the car. So send this right over to you, and we'll be in contact in the next day or two. Hopefully get you down here to Maine. So I'll talk to you soon. Hope this finds you well, and we'll go from there. Thanks, Rigo. Take care.